Okay, so hello. Today I'll show you how to set up permanent hosting for your Discord bot on using Repl.it. Um, so this is free, but it's not perfect. Um, so for example, it's not a good idea to be hosting a multi-server bot that maybe you want to get verified with Discord or whatever. It's a good idea to be hosting smaller bots, such as a bot for 40-member server that's just custom and doing some basic things. It's fine to use Repl.it for that because it's free and the uptime is pretty good. So if you want, you can upgrade your Repl.it plan, but I wouldn't recommend that. I'd recommend using a different service. So you're gonna have to obviously have a bot first, and you're gonna have to have the token copied. If you're not sure how to do this, you can check out my first video. I know it's not great, but whatever. You can go to, so now you're gonna go here. Yours might be in light mode, but you can go to new. Just click new REPL, click Node.js. You can name it so, and you can also import some already written code from GitHub, or you can create it. Fine, just like now. So it should load, and there should be an index.js file. You can't really get rid of this index.js file. It will automatically run index.js. So this has to be your main file, unfortunately. But we're gonna say, because all of these are public, you need to use .env, which I haven't made a tutorial about, but you can go check it out somewhere else. It's essentially a way of storing your like private variables securely. So then we're going to add file and type .env, and now we're going to bot token and type our token in here. So I'm going to just hide it, put my token in, and then come back here. So your token should be in that file, and now it should run perfectly fine. Next thing we're going to do is require Discord.js. You don't have to install any node modules, it automatically installs the things that it needs. And so you can set up the bot however you like, and it works perfectly fine. You can create new folders, create new files, do anything that you would normally do. So now, and then to access your token, you go here, and then you go process.env, and then whatever you named your variable. So I named it bot_token, just like that, and so that will log in now. Now the only problem is this won't stay online forever. It will only stay online for about 5 minutes, and then it will go off. So what you need to do to combat that is we're gonna require something called express. If you haven't heard of it, it's essentially a way of creating a backend sort of system in Node.js. But for this purpose, we're just gonna use it so that for this, which I'll show you in a bit, and we're gonna say and that's all you need, and then we're also gonna say app.listen 30,000 app. And then here we have to say app.get, and then slash, and then this code here, and that will be it. Now we have to run it. Sorry about that mistake. And so it said ready. And if we go into Discord, the bot came online, as you can see here. So it is running. Now the only issue is that it will stop running after a while. Okay, so the way we're gonna host this permanently is by going here, and copying this link, just like that. Then you're gonna go to this website called Uptime Robot. It's a pretty good website. And I use it for another one of my bots that I host on Repl.it. You're gonna go to Add New Monitor, HTTP. Friendly name can be whatever you want, so just this, I guess. And you're gonna paste your URL in here. Monitoring interval stays 5 minutes. Create monitor. You don't need an alert contact unless you want it to email you every 5 minutes. And now close, and now it should run permanently. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. I'm bad at outros.